Now we have reached the last letter. It's va, 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 va. It's written like this. And as you can see, the letter va is written just like ta with the addition of one dot on the top. Also, you can see that this letter has the same shape in its different positions in a word. Va. As you hear, the sound of va is similar to the sound of dhal. You remember dhal? But here in va, it's more emphatic and darker. Let's read this word, which means great. Ain va ya mim. عظيم. Va has kasra followed by long vowel E. So say عظيم. عظيم. And this one, حاء, ألف, فاء, and ظا. حافظ. 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 Keeper or memorizer. The one who keeps something or who memorizes something. حافظ. The here is at the end. This word means noon. Three letters. ظا, ha, ra. ظا has dhamma, then ha has sukun, then r. So we say ظ, ظ, ظهر, ظهر. ظهر means noon. And there is a prayer at the time, at that time, it's called ظهر prayer. صلاة, صلاة. This word starts with al, which means the, but lam here is silent. So we say الظهر, الظهر. When we connect the two words, alif also will be silent. So it will be like this. صلاة الظهر, صلاة الظهر, صلاة الظهر. This is a name of another prayer. It's called Isha prayer. Salatu, then al-Isha. When we connect the words, we say Salatul Isha. What is this? We see it for the first time. Salatul Isha. Look at the last letter in the second word. It looks like this. This is another shape of alif when it is not a long vowel. Alif as a consonant, which means it's not a vowel when it is not vowel. Alif as a consonant is called hamza. It can be written in different ways as follows. Look, like this, or like this, or on above with the shape of wow. But this is hamza written in this way. It's not wow. It's hamza written in this way. And also this hamza written in this way. And this. These are some examples. We have a slide before Ahmad. Look at how hamza looks here. Ahmad. Ibrahim. Ibrahim. The hamza or alif here has kasra. We say E. That's why it's written in this way. But look at this now. Aisha. Aisha is a female name. Hamza or alif is written in this way. Ayn followed by alif as a vowel, then E written in this way. Aisha. It can be written like this. Believer, mu'min. Here we have mim with dhamma followed by a. There is no wow here. We don't say mu. No. It's only mo, because this is hamza or alif written in this special way. So this is only mo. There is sukun here. So we say mu'min. Mu'min. And it can also be written like this, quite. Hadi. So here, dal with kasra followed by only. هادئ. And this water, ماء. ماء. It's written like this. By the way, when Hamza is followed by alif as a long vowel, there are two ways of writing this combination. It can be like this, or like this, also. For example, look here. This is verse. Here, Hamza followed by alif as a long vowel. So we say ayah, verse. Ayah. So we can write it like this. So these are two letters. Ayah, or like this. Ayah, the same. Both are right. Another example, Adam. It's a male name. It can be written like this. Adam, or like this. Adam, the same. The next one, another example, Al-Qur'an. Al-Qur'an. A plus long vowel A can be written like this or like this. Both are Al-Qur'an. These are some examples. Can you read this? Allah willing, or if God wills. In sha'a, sha'a. You see here, this is a, Hamza at the end of the word. Sha'a, and then Allah. But when we connect the words, it becomes Insha'Allah. So Insha'a followed by La, because this alif is silent here. Insha'Allah. Insha'Allah. When you speak about something in the future, you'll say, for example, I will do it Insha'Allah. God willing, Allah willing. The Holy Quran means Al-Qur'anu, and then Al-Kareem. And when we connect the words, Al-Qur'anul Kareem. Al-Qur'anul Kareem. Don't forget that Quran can be written like this or like this. Now read this. This is Ahmad and this is Aisha. هذا أحمد وهذه عائشة. Or you can make pause here in the middle. هذا أحمد وهذه عائشة. Another sentence. هذه آية من from followed by القرآن الكريم. القرآن الكريم. So we say من القرآن الكريم. هذه آية من القرآن الكريم. This is a verse from the Holy Quran. هذه آية من القرآن الكريم. After that, هذا خبز. This is bread. هذا خبز وهذا ماء. هذا خبز وهذا ماء. This is bread and this is water. You can make pause here and say هذا خبز وهذا ماء.